I'm sorry. Oh, what'd you do there?
Gotta go the same way as the tadpole.
Is the camera up or down?
It's
What
up.
do you mean, up or down?
It's up.
It's on
Okay.
the top there, yeah.
I need better helicopter. This helicopter won't even listen to you. Won't even make you turn.
Go.
Doesn't even help it.
I know. What do you get for $1,000?
That's $1,000?
Yeah.
No, it isn't, is it?
Yeah, don't break it.
Is it seriously?
I don't know, Grandma bought it for me, so it's probably $1,000.
Oh yeah, no expense is too great when it comes to grandpa.
I didn't know where it was going because I had the iPad.
Really?
It was going toward.
Yay!
Can it be my turn and then you record it?
Wait, after this.
And you put your video on YouTube. Whoops.
Okay. Wait, put it up to the screen again. Air hogs. Dun dun dun. Air hogs. Here, hold it.
We don't have a YouTube account, so we can't.
Watch it. 1, 2, 3. It's a good thing you didn't go behind the couch. 1, 2, 3.
Better come down a little bit.
It jumped. It jumped. It jumped.
And it jumped and it fell.
Air Hogs, one of the best helicopters ever. Now watch from the master.
What's the master? It's not so much for a master. You can't even see where it's going.
You can't even find it.
Stop it, Elson. Quit going it like right above me. I can't get it. Elson, stop trying to be in the spotlight, though.
Watch out! That was so
That was funny. Let's try this again, master.
Did you get the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Grandpa!
Mom, we're videotaping this. And you're kind of taking all the spotlight.
It's missing.
Can't see it when it's
My turn, my turn, my turn.
The master!